Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can distill your pee if you're in a survival situation and need fluids. For this project I'm going to use a cocktail flask, as it was the only thing I could find that didn't have a plastic lining on the lid. But it's best to use a stainless steel flask with a silicone seal. I started by drilling a 1/4 inch hole through the lid and through the next chamber. Now the first lid I'm not going to be needing to come off, so I braze it closed with some silver solder. When soldering, make sure to heat the metal till red and let the metal melt the rod and not the flame. I'm going to be using 1/4 inch refrigeration copper tubing. This you can find at a refrigeration spare shop. Using silver solder is the best solder to braze two different metals together because it's really strong and unbreakable. I'm going to be using some Schroeder valves and flare nuts to make joints because I want this project to be portable. But it's not necessary, as you can just braze everything together, but then it'll make it difficult to go anywhere without damaging the soft copper pipes. I'm using normal copper brazing to braze the copper joints. Silver solder is not necessary in brazing copper to copper. I'm going to be using this flaring tool to make removable joints, as this is a great way to join copper pipes and can withstand pressures up to 50 bar. Not that this project will have any pressure. Then I used a 50mm PVC pipe to bend the copper tube around. You need about 10 turns. This will be where the steam will turn back into water. Then I completed the condenser with some elbows and Schroeder valves. Okay, so here we have our finished product. What we need to do is put our liquid in here, boil our liquid will form a steam. The steam will come across here into the condenser. The steam will condense into a liquid and come out the other side. Now if you don't have any water with you to cool the condenser, you can use wet sand or vegetation. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a wet rag because I do have water, and show you how this guy works. So let's put this to practice. Using a wet rag or something cold will help the hot steam become a liquid. You can see that the steam is escaping, so I covered it with some tin foil to get the maximum amount of liquid out of my boiling pee. When distilling your urine, it's best to do it twice in order for it to taste like clean water. But in a survival situation you're desperate, then once should be fine. Unlike salt water, the particles in urine are a lot smaller. Now pure water is not good to drink because the H2O molecules need to attach themselves to nutrients in your body. So it's best to add in a little of your boiled seawater, but in this case it's the tea. Pure water is actually acidic and has a very low pH level and very corrosive. I've been working with water for a few years now, and I've seen how corrosive it can be depending on the pH level. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Tastes just like normal tea.